How to send free notification emails in WordPress forms using Easy Form Builder. Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send a free confirmation email to anyone who submits your form, right inside your WordPress website using Easy Form Builder. Whether you're building a contact form, the registration form, or any custom form, this feature helps you send instant email notifications with no extra plugins or premium plans required. Let's get started. Why send notification emails? Confirmation emails reassure users that their message or request was received. It builds trust and shows that your WordPress site is responsive and reliable. And the best part? This feature is included completely free in Easy Form Builder. Step 1. Add the email field to your form. Go to your WordPress dashboard and open your form in Easy Form Builder or create your forms. Drag and drop the email element into your form. This field collects the user's email address. No coding needed. No add-ons required. Step 2. Enable free notifications. Click on the gear icon on the email element to open settings. Scroll to the notification options and turn on Send email notification to this address. That's it. Just hit save. What happens now? Every time someone submits your form, they'll get an automatic confirmation email, instantly and for free. It's a great way to improve communication and user experience on your WordPress site.
And don't forget, like this video, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what feature you want us to cover next.